All right, so we made our homemade shrimp cocktail. Tim picked this up at the grocery store this morning. This is imitation crab and their own shrimp here, but ours are way better. Anyways, what we're going to do today, Tim, is try this new St. Elmo's.
Okay.
This is very spicy, it says.
Are you sick? Because you keep sniffling.
I'm not sick.
I don't want to catch it. All right.
All right, so anyways, St. Elmo's, very spicy. All right.
You in?
Yeah, man. I actually really like a good spicy cocktail sauce, so.
Spicy cock?
Spicy cocktail sauce.
Going in deep.
Going in deep.
What's it smell like?
I don't know. I'll tell you in a minute.
Napalm. Oh my God, there it is. Oh.
It smells like hot!
Woo, is that good?
Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Did you get tissues? Because we're both crying now.
that'll clear a cold.
Woo!
That's good stuff.
All right, so.
And the burn is now gone.
Yep. Actually, it was really quick burn. It was a lot of burn, but it was quick. So, very spicy. I'd say they're right on that.
Not cheap. $9 a bottle.
Wow, $9 a bottle.
It's worth it.
If you like the burn, I'm gonna be honest. I love the burn, but there's just not a lot of flavor. It's just hot.
Need some wash your sister sauce.
Yeah, I think we could spice that. Yeah, we doctor that up with put a little ketchup in there, put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I think that's really tasty and spicy.
I need a cocktail.
All right, let's get cocktails.
Got
Click
beads
that
of
thumbs
sweat.
up.
Beads of sweat going on over there, guys.
Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and well, thanks for watching us cry.
Tears of joy.
Crying.
Tears of joy.
Crying in shrimp cocktail.